Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Notion AI, use AI features and notes step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. In the address bar, type notion.so and press enter. Once the Notion homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to a login page where you can enter your credentials. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. If you prefer, you can also log in using Google or Apple by clicking on the respective buttons. Once you have entered your information, click on the Continue button. After logging in successfully, you will find yourself on your Notion workspace. To access AI features, look for the sidebar on the left. Click on the New Page button to create a new note. In the new page, you'll see an option to enable AI features typically located at the bottom or side menu. If prompted, enable the AI feature by toggling the switch. Once enabled, you can start using AI tools to enhance your notes. For instance, type a question or prompt and click on the AI icon that appears. The AI will generate responses or suggestions based on your input. You can refine your prompts for more tailored outputs as needed. To save your notes, click the Done button or simply exit the page. Your notes will automatically save in your Notion workspace. Now you are ready to utilize AI features in your notes efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.